Hi! So we're going to be redoing our kitchen because at the moment it's a very small, cramped space at the moment. So we're going to be taking down this wall and that cupboard space up there. So just opening it all up.
Yep.
And then we're going to have we're going to move this counter.
Floating island.
We're going to have a floating island sort of in the middle here, leaving a gap on that side to get into the kitchen.
Okay.
Leaving it, obviously this gap over here to get into the kitchen as well.
Right.
And then if you come this way,
Fast forward into the kitchen.
it's pretty much going to stay as it is. They're not going to be cupboards here, but they're going to be cupboards at the bottom, around there, around here, and cupboards at the back over there.
Okay.
So the interior of the kitchen is going to stay pretty much the same. It's just taking out the middle wall. Oh yeah, we're having cupboards put up
on that wall.
at the top
Okay.
as well.
And floor tiles. You're going to change that.
Yeah,
Well,
so we're going to get nice big I think they're 60 by 60.
600 by 600.
600 by 600 square.
Okay.
Nice big
Big one.
tiles.
Okay. Right. Okay. And your sink is going to.
Yeah, we're going to get a new sink.
Oh, a new sink. Okay.
Yeah.
And a new stove.
New stove.
New stove.
Just a stove top.
Oh, stove top.
So we
Okay.
actually don't use the stove.
The
as
rest
it
of
is,
it,
but
okay,
we're just going
right.
to put it in a stove top.
All
So
right.
everything's going to be
So
closed
everything.
off.
So the only thing, the fridge is going to stay the same. The fridge is going to go over
Fridge will
here.
move to this
Into
side
this corner.
and the machine next to it.
And the washing machine is going to go where?
There.
In this spot here.
Oh, all right, to the right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much and good luck. Now we've got 6 months later, or was it 6 years? I'm not sure. We've got a change of kitchen, right, with our tour guide, Luke, and Mommy, and what's your name? Levi. Okay, right. Luke, tell us what's been put into the kitchen. Tell us.
We put like new cupboards.
New cupboards.
Yeah, and there's even some on the ceiling as well.
New cupboards hanging on the wall.
Yeah.
Okay, what else is new?
And even we got some wine holders.
Wine holders, I guess. Yes. And what else? What else? What's this big thing in the middle?
We put like an island of like a dining room table
An island of a dining room table, right?
with some chairs.
What used to be
Okay.
here?
What do we?
These chairs used to be here. This washing machine,
Okay.
this dishwashing machine used to be here.
Dishwashing, yes.
This washing machine used to be here. And this
Oh,
fridge.
the fridge has kind of moved, hey?
Where was the fridge?
And
Oh.
It's stuck. Where was the fridge?
there.
Where was the fridge?
There.
Oh, more over there.
I think he got lost.
And what was over here?
And it used to be like this line, this whole line used to be like just tables.
Right. And Levi, what you got? Oh, he's got some juice.
There was a wall here. And then
Okay, right. Show me the doorway.
there was a little gap over here, and over here used to be a little chalk.
Okay, I think your fridge was over here, wasn't it? Just here. And what's on the floor now? What's different about the floor?
It's tile. It's tile, new tiles.
Tiles on tiles. Okay, and
So
over here?
And we used to have like brown carpet. Now we put in this grayish, darkish carpet.
Yes.
And we added in Levi's room the rocking chair that used to be there.
I got a rocking chair. And what's that on the wall?
We put on the wall a nice keeping bookshelf.
Bookshelf.
So we put some books there.
Levi, what you got?
Donut smoothie.
A what?
A donut smoothie.
A donut smoothie.
And that's smoothie.
Nice.
Can I
Donut
drink
smoothie.
some? Can I drink some?
Okay, that's the favorite here. A donut smoothie. Okay. Over and out.